I am so thankful for my mission experience because it just enhanced something that was already inside of me. And belief that I have in Jesus Christ just grew so much. And really, that's what it's all about. It's all about Jesus Christ. And before my mission, when I was a little kid, I got baptized when I was 8 years old. I didn't really understand baptism, but I knew that it was a way for me to follow Jesus Christ. And I knew going on a mission was another way to follow Jesus Christ and that I could help other people follow him too. And that's really why I did it, because I know that Jesus Christ is the Son of God. And I firmly believe everything that he's said in the scriptures and everything that he said to me personally that I felt as I've learned about him and just been inspired by him. It's really just given me this desire to do anything in my life that will help me draw closer to him. And I know that the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is the church where I can draw the closest to him. And because it has the essential saving ordinances, it has the proper authority that will be able to take those steps to get closer to Jesus Christ. And it's the only church that has that. I know that's true. I know that because it's so important for us to know it, God's provided a way for us to each individually come to that truth. And it takes a lot of prayer and takes reading the scriptures, and the Book of Mormon is this set of scriptures that really helps us to know that the Church of Jesus Christ is true, and that's why it's been provided in this time. That's why it was saved for this time. And I know it's true. And I know that when I read it, it helps me get closer to Jesus Christ, and it helps me to have more happiness. And I know that everyone in the world, if they read it and prayed about it sincerely, God would tell them that it's true.